How to create a Clickbank account 2022 step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to bring you with a very useful topic, and in this topic, we're going to be talking about Clickbank affiliates. So how are you going to create a Clickbank account? It's really simple, it's really easy, okay? You just have to walk yourselves through a few simple steps. So once you come over to Clickbank like this, what you're going to do from here is you're going to click on start here, and once you click on start here, what it will do is it will redirect you to a page where obviously it's going to ask you to add your details. Now once you add your details, what it's going to do is it's going to say let's customize your Clickbank experience. So I'm going to go ahead with I want to, promote Clickbank products. Sounds good. I have promoted before. I'm just gonna go with this. What type of products do you want to promote? I'm gonna go with, let's say, crypto. We're gonna do this. Choose the country. Okay. Or an extra income. Okay. You can, fulfill the consistent traffic. And how do you plan on selling? I'm gonna go with Pinterest. Like all the Clickbank tools you would be interested in, I'm gonna go with the marketing tool, hosting, and the page builder. Just, randomly type anything, and I'm gonna click on OK. There we go. And you're gonna add the email address that you want your account to be associated and linked to. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste my email, click on submit, and there we go. So based on your answers, if you want to make all of these things, we highly recommend starting with these 3 simple steps. To just go ahead and look through their simple steps, and yeah, pretty much that is how things are going to start. So that's how you can create your account by Clickbank, and it's also going to give you all these different things. I'm just going to keep this paused, and what you can do is you can also go ahead and use any other external place. So this is obviously Spark by Clickbank, which shows you the 3 simple steps on how you can actually access Clickbank. But I'm just gonna go ahead and log in with the already made account that I have associated with my email. So yeah, that is how you're gonna create an account on your Clickbank in the easiest way possible. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.